gentlemen, President Benigno S. Aquino III. The rank and title of National Scientist is the highest recognition given by the President of the Republic of the Philippines to a Filipino man or woman of science who has made significant contributions in one of the different fields of science and technology. This honor was created under Presidential Decree number 1003-A on December 16, 1976. Since 1978, the rank and title of National Scientist has been conferred on 41 Filipinos, 16 of whom are living. We will now proceed with the conferment of the rank and title of National Scientist to Doctors Gavino C. Trono Jr., Angel C. Alcala, Ramon C. Barba, and Edgardo D. Gomez by His Excellency President Aquino. May we now call on Dr. Gavino C. Trono Jr. Dr. Gavino Trono Jr., PhD, Marine Botany, to be accompanied by his wife, Letty. Dr. Ramon C. Barba. Dr. Ramon Barba, PhD, Horticulture, accompanied by his wife, Corazon. Angel Alcala, PhD, Biological Sciences, to be accompanied by his wife, Naomi. Dr. Edgardo Gomez, PhD, Marine Biology, accompanied by his wife, Ambassador Phoebe Gomez.